Hi guys, and Happy New Year. Welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. So this week we decided to start the new year off with a blast. We are creating 3 different wedding centerpieces using Dollar Tree vases. I'm going to show you in how easy it is and how economic it is to create these beautiful centerpieces with these Dollar Tree vases. So, without further ado, let's get started with this week's episode's Dollar Tree vases 3 ways, guys. Okay, let's get to it. So option 1, we're going to use our glass cylinder vase, some glass accent gems, as well as 2 floral stems. Important things, the floral stems need to be plastic. If you try to use the silk flowers, they tend to bleed, the color bleeds into the water. So make sure that your stems are plastic. One more tip, be sure to make a hook at the end of your plastic stem because it'll act as an anchor once you put it into the glass beads. As the water goes up and it rises, it will hook right onto those glass beads and stay in place. In option 2, we're going to use river pebbles and a faux orchid. Now, it takes a little bit more time because you have to painstakingly kind of put the rocks around the stem of the orchid and make sure the orchid is placed where the petals are open so that when you add your water, it makes a beautiful picture. Be sure to use a latex orchid. You do not want to use a silk orchid. You want it to be latex. So for our final look, we're going to elevate our glass cylinder vases with one of these tapered candle holder, which is also from the Dollar Tree. 90% of these items are from the Dollar Tree. Don't worry, the links are in the description below. So we're going to attach the candle holder with E6000 to the bottom of our vase, and then we're going to kind of measure out about 36 inches or so of pearl strand. We're going to use our clear water beads and layer the strands between layers of clear water beads. Now you can make your layers as thick or as thin as you would like. It's really your preference. Add our water and you will see the magic happen. I love the effect that happens when you add the water. Well guys, what do you think? Isn't it fantastic how something so simple can make such a statement? I love each and every one of these. Any of these would be a fantastic centerpiece to a reception table or decor for your wedding specifically. If not for a celebration, for Mother's Day, Valentine's Day, so many different options you have. You can substitute your own flower, you can substitute your own color pearl, and really just make it your own. And I hope you guys are enjoying these projects as much as we enjoyed creating them for you. Again, most of the supplies are from the Dollar Tree, and don't worry, we have 2 separate supply lists, one for those of you who are in the US or have access to our same vendors, and one that's international. And I'm hoping that this is going to help you create the vision of your dreams. If you would like to hang out with us some more, please head over to our social media on Facebook, Twitter, or X, Instagram, or Pinterest. Don't forget to check out our Pinterest board. We have so many more just fantastic ideas and things that you can use for your event and or wedding. If you haven't signed up for your Rakuten account, don't know what you're waiting for, it's so simple. Go ahead and click the link, sign up for your account, sign on to your account, make your qualified purchases, and receive a check at the end of the month, and it is absolutely free. Again, all of the links to all of the supplies for all of our projects are always in the description below. You can just click on that show description arrow and it'll have everything there for you to use. Well guys, if there is a project that we can help you with, don't hesitate to go on over to our website, MissPlanet.com, click on the project request tab and follow the very simple steps. We ask that you do it sooner than later because our production schedule fills up so fast. In addition to that, you can check out more project descriptions, as well as picture and instructions on our website, and you can find the links to the supplies there. Also, there's so much more information on our website, MissPlanet.com. If you want to check it out, click right there in the corner and it will take you straight there to give you even more ideas and cost-saving tips. Well, our time has come to an end. We so appreciate you choosing to spend time with us. We know you have so many options. So until next time, always remember, when every penny counts, you can count on Miss Planet. Please take care of yourself. We will see you soon. God bless.